Hello friends, in this video let us solve one problem on integration by substitution. This is our problem, integral of e raised to x plus 1 upon e raised to x minus 1 dx. To solve this problem by substitution method, let us simplify given function. To simplify this function, let us divide by e raised to x by 2 to numerator as well as denominator. Therefore, our problem becomes e raised to x plus 1 upon e raised to x by 2 divided by e raised to x minus 1 upon e raised to x by 2 dx. Therefore, this is equal to e raised to x upon e raised to x by 2 is e raised to x by 2 plus 1 upon e raised to x by 2 is e raised to minus x by 2 upon e raised to x upon e raised to x by 2 is e raised to x by 2 minus 1 upon e raised to x by 2 is e raised to minus x by 2 dx. Now let us put this function as a t. Put t is equal to e raised to x by 2 minus e raised to minus x by 2. Let us differentiate this t with respect to x. Therefore, dt by dx is equal to as instead of x, we have e raised to x by 2. Therefore, both are now composite functions. We have to treat this x by 2 as u. E raised to u derivative is e raised to u into derivative of u with respect to x. That is e raised to u means x by 2 into derivative of x by 2 is 1 by 2 minus. Once again, this is composite function because instead of e raised to x, here we have e raised to minus x by 2. Therefore, derivative of e raised to minus x by 2 is e raised to u, that is e raised to minus x by 2 into derivative of minus x by 2 is minus 1 by 2. Now, let us take 1 by 2 common. Therefore, dt by dx is equal to 1 by 2 into e raised to x by 2, e raised to x by 2 minus minus plus e raised to minus x by 2, e raised to minus x by 2. Here we want e raised to x by 2 plus e raised to minus x by 2 dx. Therefore, let us rewrite this. Dt is equal to 2dt is equal to e raised to x by 2 plus e raised to minus x by 2 into dx. Therefore, for this thing, we can put 2dt. Or this e raised to x by 2 plus e raised to minus x by 2 into dx, we can write 2dt. And for this denominator, what we can write? T. Therefore, this is equal to, our problem is integral of 2dt upon t. This 2 is constant, we can take it outside the integral, and integral of 1 by t is log t. Log of t plus c. We have to add this constant of integration because this is indefinite integral. And while writing final answer, replace this t by this, because this is our substitution. 2 log of t means e raised to x by 2 minus e raised to minus x by 2 plus c. This is the final answer. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. We will meet again in the next video with another problem. Till then, goodbye.